Welcome back to the Passive Playbook. Did you know some dropshippers are making over 10,000 per night without holding inventory and just by going live on Shopee? This isn't some scammy trick, it's a legit hack that's working right now in the Philippines. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Shopee dropshippers are using live streams to generate massive sales daily. Step by step, no fluff. And yes, even if you're a total beginner with zero capital, you can try this today. Alright, let's get into it. First, bakit effective ang Shopee live streams? Live streams are prioritized by Shopee's algorithm. That means more visibility, especially for low-ticket trending items. Unlike just posting product listings, live streams create urgency, trust, and real-time engagement that convert viewers into buyers. Fast. Here's a quick stat. Shopee live streams get 3 times more conversions compared to regular listings. Pro tip, stream during peak hours, that's 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Next, paano ka mag-uumpisa kahit walang inventory? You don't need to stock items. Just find a supplier on Shopee or local FB groups, list their items, and use livestream to demo and sell. Kapag may bumili, your supplier ships it for you. You keep the profit. Halimbawa, bumili ka ng product sa 80, tapos binibenta mo sa 199. With just 50 sales, that's 5,950 in profit for only one night. Focus on impulse buy items, yung mga under 300. Now, let's talk setup. All you need is a phone, good lighting, and a clean background. Start with an attention-grabbing title like 99 Flash Sale Best Deals Tonight. Keep it super interactive. Answer comments, show products clearly, offer bundle promos. If you want to level up, use OBS with Shopee Partner Studio for a more professional setup. How do you boost viewers and close more sales? Promote your live stream 1 hour before sa Shopee feed, Facebook groups, and TikTok. During your live, pin your best sellers, offer countdown deals, and shout out buyers super effective yan to create hype. Use phrases like only 5 left or 50 off, tonight only. Always upsell related items like buy 2 get 1 free. That's an easy way to boost your total sales. If you want to start dropshipping on Shopee and turn simple live streams into cash machines, now's the time. Start small, go live tonight, and test what works. You could be 10,000 richer by tomorrow. Like, subscribe, comment Shopee hack if you want a free cheat sheet. Check out my other videos on starting Shopee dropshipping with zero capital and the top 5 winning products for live streams. See you on your next live. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this.